Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade wrap of 2nd of March 2021. Now, right at the start, we want to look at the S&P 500, where the market is kind of pulling back a bit post yesterday's large move. For the moment, it qualifies as a small reaction, and chances are that on an hourly chart, somewhere at this 200 zone, you could find support which is about 3868. So mild correction on in the US, and possibly by the end of the day, the US markets could recover a bit. So that way, things looking okay in the US. Before we go forward, let me request you to like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, there are several services under the YouTube membership program, which have platinum, diamond, gold, silver, copper, etc. And it will be useful to subscribe to those services which have products in different time frames like swing, day trading, BTST, index, portfolio, and whatever works for you. If you have questions, WhatsApp 98710 or email at ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com, or just straight away go to the YouTube channel and choose what you like and do the formalities, and you're ready to go. Now let's look at what happened on the Nifty, which had a very, very interesting day. Now this is the Nifty hourly chart. Today we have closed above the high of that Friday big red bar. So that negativity is out. Let me show you the investing chart so that you are able to understand what is going on from the daily chart as well. See, on the daily, this red line is the 50. This purple line is the 20. And you can see each time we have come to this zone between 50 and 20, the corrections are finally resolved on the upside. The trend still remains uncompromised and very, very strong. So this is point number one. Trend, you can tick mark. Place, you can tick mark. The pattern where this big red bearish bar is being taken out by green, that you can tick mark. Now let's look at the smaller time frame and see what is going on. Now you see what happened in the last 45 odd minutes is that there was FII buying which happened here, and we have FII buy figure of 2200 crores. Anytime you have that sort of buy figure, the market will move up. Now the other issue is that what is the market doing for the last, I would call it possibly the better part of 3 days. It has gone up and it has gone down, and it has been volatile, but volatile within a range. Okay, these are some excesses which I have removed. Broadly, 14,700 to 14,900 has been the range for the Nifty. And if you want, you can extend it back here as well. So again, this sort of support resistance is confirmed. Now what we are looking for the market to do is start a fresh round of expansion. So now you have the institutional buying to support this sort of move. So for the day of tomorrow, post initial bit of dip, etc., I think the market should cross 15,000, and the next target above 15,000 should be closer to 15,132 and 15,264. That's obviously a bigger target. Now let's see what's happening on the option chain. At 15,000, there has been very minor addition of open interest today, although cumulative open interest is 50,000 contracts. The big addition of open interest has been 14,900 and 14,800. So here you can see there is lots of action on the put side, but on the call side, I think it's a bit lighter. Similarly here, I think in the money puts are being written at 15,000. So that way, I would think that now, the call side, there is a bit of covering which is likely, and the put side, the support seems fairly strong. And if we stay above 14,900, there could be further upside. Most significant call writing is now at 15,000, 15,100 and 15,200. Beyond that, the numbers are a bit smaller. Similarly, let's go back and look at the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty has gone through major underperformance, but I think, look at this consolidation. Bank Nifty is getting ready for a very large move. Now, whether it happens tomorrow or day after, time will tell. But this sort of formation means that Bank Nifty is looking to have a move similar to the one that it had on the downside. So again, what you want to do is on the Bank Nifty, you want to buy above R1, which is 35,777. So once we start to trade above this level, you could look at 36,134, etc. And on the downside, I think it needs to stay above the 35,000 level. That remains a very, very strong support. Let's look at what the Bank Nifty is doing. Bank Nifty again, here the call writing is a bit more significant than the put writing at 35,500. I would think there is some possibly put buying which has happened, and similarly at 35,500 the call writing is also significant. So if we get past this sort of level 35,500, chances are that Bank Nifty will gain in momentum. And my sense is that you should see, Bank Nifty breakout and contribute more meaningfully to the upside rally. So that way, for tomorrow, I think the Nifty and Bank Nifty, given institutional flows and given the way they are set up, we are looking in the next couple of days for a large move on Nifty and Bank Nifty, which could take both these indices much, much higher. Overall, most of the market, even today, was very, very positive throughout the day, and mostly sectors are positive. So there is, a lot of buying which is happening at current level, and there are basically, 10, 12 stocks, private banks, Reliance, etc., which are holding the market back. And once, buying comes back here, chances are you will see very strong upside action even on the major indices. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.